aku Sarmudianto.
We from Group 1 are going to do a presentation about
How to make tempura.
Now, before we go to how to make tempura, I will ask you guys a question first. What is tempura? Of course, we all know what tempura is. That traditional food from Indonesia, block thing with soybeans. But what is the real definition of tempura? Does anybody know? Well, according to Wikipedia, tempeh is a traditional Indonesian food made from fermented soybeans. It is made by natural filtering and controlled fermentation process that binds soybeans into a cake form. A fungus, Rhizopus oligopus or Rhizopus olidae, is used in the fermentation process and is also known as tempeh starter.
Hey Jill, I'm feeling bored of eating my pancake.
Yeah, me too. I really like the first time I eat tempeh. It's really, I really like the flavor. But now every time I eat tempeh, it feels kind bland because I eat it too much. Do you have any solution, Jibril?
Well, lucky for you, Wildan, because I have the solution. And that solution is tempura.
Wait, what is tempura?
Well, to answer that question, I need to ask you guys another question.
Oh, no.
I need to ask you guys a question again. What is tempura?
We don't really
Anybody know here? Maybe they eaten tempura? No? Okay then. Well, according to Wikipedia again, tempura is a typical Japanese dish, usually consisting of seafood, meat, and vegetables that have been battered and deep fried. The dish was introduced by the Portuguese in Nagasaki through filter cooking techniques in the 16th century. Now that we know what is tempura, what is tempura? Not to be confused by tempura before. Tempura is an acculturation. Acculturation is a mix between cultures, between the flavor of tempeh and the mixture of tempura. Now that we know what tempura is, how do you